Ayan, for this video guys, ito yung nangyari nung isang araw. This is what happened the other day. So, yesterday I was a little bit busy to be honest. So, that's why I don't have any uploads, no? So, ayan guys, ipapakita ko dito kung ano talaga yung nangyayari nung isang araw, no? So, I feel a little bit ashamed to be honest because that was my first time, it's happened in my life na may dalawang guard na naglalakad with me. No, unang-una, yung isang guard, nun, siya yung pumunta sa akin. So, the one guard is coming towards on me and said, "Ma'am, what are you doing?" And said, "I'm in the live streaming but I almost finished." To be honest, that location there's no good signal, okay? So, in the second thing is, I went to the Manila, guys. It's the same of that store. There's no any problem about. And I had been more than a year in a customer in that store also. So, I don't have an idea, no, that it will be like that. Because before, guys, nung nag-video ako doon sa mga wines area, there was a guard in there at the time. Iwan ko ilang months yun. But this time, okay, sabihin na natin nagpatupad sila ng rolls, but there's no any signs on outside. So, iilan ba yung mga tao na haharangin nila? Okay, if ever. So, tapos ang pinakaano doon is, yung mga girls na yan is naglalakad sila without me. Para bang ako yung gumawa ako ng crime talaga. Di ba? So, okay, we can say that ang pagla-live or pag-video doon sa any stores or whatever, it is a crime. So, okay, sabihin na natin yan. But, pero wag naman yung parang halos na lang yung hahawakan yung magkabila akong kamay ng para hindi ako makatakbo. Parang talaga nakakaloka talaga yung experience ko nung isang araw. So, ayun guys, fast forward, after that, we went to the customer service and I talked to their supervisor. I requested for their management. Dahil yun po ang sinabi ng guards na I have to be provide, my information or something like that because they say that I will be under investigation, for filming their stuff. And I said, no, I don't film I never have any filming. If you want, so I will be, saving for the video for this live and I will show you guys. So, which is, hindi naman nila talaga tinitinginan and it is, they refused to watch my live streaming and whatever. So they said, no, we don't handle that kind of situation. And I said, when I asked also that, okay guys, you said you have a rules like this, so where is your, why you don't have any sign outside? So the supervisor said that that's why there's no any rules because that rules is not implemented, is not submitted to their main office yet. And I said, come on. So, guys, so that's why I said, for what are you guys doing to me? I can file a complaint because this is a kind of humiliation in a harassment. So, which is, I'm just telling them because it's not about that because I know what I can do. I'm telling them so they knows what they're doing. Instead, na baka pa sa iba naman, yun din mang mayayari sa kanila, no? Ayan, mapunta doon sila sa sa mga, lalo na pag mga tao kasi hindi sa lahat ng panahon na okay yung, yung mood, kumbaga, di ba? So, and then the next time, guys, wait a minute. And then after that, which is the supervisor, she apologized me, but she told me that I have to go to the head guards to give a report, and which is I go in there, and I said, guard, the customer service told me that you guys kayo yung gumagawa ng mga report dito. I am little bit curious kung ano yung i-report nyo sa akin. Sabi naman ng mga guards, ma'am, that's not our job. So, and then when I said, no, that's what the customer service says, that I have to go in here because you guys just had to get my report, that because of my violation, okay? So, yun yung nangyari dun. So, to be honest is, nag-refuse naman, no? The guards refuses to enter for that kind of situations after what happened. So, sabi ko naman, so where are we gonna go? I said, no, you have to come back in there in the customer service. And I said, guys, next time you have to be sure for what you're doing because in this kind of situation, I can file a complaint against all you guys, And I said, for this time, I have to be, bibigyan ko kayo lang ng chance, but it will be happen soon, which is I will not be tolerated. So that's what I said. Dahil po, nakakahiya talaga, guys. Nakakahiya. Nahihiya ako sa sarili ko. I was feel like it's shame, that what's happening exactly is not, parang pinagtripan ka lang, di ba? So, yun guys, pag pumasok kayo ng mga mall, so be careful, So, ayan. So, pag may ganyan talaga, is tanungin nyo sila about the rules, So, dahil yung mga iba talaga nagtitake advantage, Ayan, guys. Yung iba nag-take advantage or else yung nila, yung head yung boss or which is the management maybe that they don't have any idea. Ayan, nagdaldal doon sa mga mga employee lang or sa mga under niya. Tapos wala naman talagang tawag diyan ba? Yung hindi naman talaga yun ang dapat, Parang gumagawa-gawa lang ng sarili niyang rules and regulations. So hindi naman pwede yan. So, yun lang masabi ko dito.